Hi again, welcome to another video, and this is just a real quick one. I know some of you have been quite interested and been following the work I've been doing on the side loading door on my Mercedes Sprinter van. Well, I've been working up the unit again today. I didn't film anything today because I've been sorting out all them bits there. And I have the line pretty good now. The first bit I did weld in, I actually took that back out again and put a new bit in. And I've done that bit there and fit a bit in there, fit a bit in there. The bottom's fitting pretty good. I've still got to do a little adjustment there. And where I overheated it down there, that has sunk in a bit. But it does allow me behind with the framework of the door to put a block in there. So I'm going to put a block in there, and then when I've welded that to it, it may hold it forward. If not, I could even weld something inside just to hold it out, because there is quite a dip in there. But I'm pretty pleased with it. It's working well, the door. I've still got to do the piece that fits into there, which I did there. That is slightly wrong, and the door is catching on that a bit when I open it because I haven't bent the bottom panel around yet, because I didn't want to put that on until I was 100% sure I didn't have to get beneath it again. But I think that's come out pretty good down there. If you look on the inside, it's pretty good. So that's all got new metal in now, and it's pretty strong. So I'm gonna shut it. There you go, it shuts okay. So I haven't got too much to do really. Next time I come up, I'm gonna just sort out the bit under there, because you can see I haven't welded along there. I'm not 100% happy with it under there and how that panel is fitting against it. From there to that side, it's fine. It will just push in all along there. And the underneath is fine. The line isn't bad at all. The line's good up there. So I've just got to sort out that bit, connect the bottom panel, and then there's a few rust areas on the door. There's one there I've ground out today. I'm just going to put some Vac-Tan on that to treat that. And I'm going to have to do the same there as well, unless it's gone right the way through. I hope that's mainly surface rust. I would like to get the sandblaster on it, on them bits, just so I could get right in. I'm hoping to use that in a few weeks, because I've got a few things I want to do with that. So yeah, we'll have to just see with that. But from there upwards, the door isn't too bad. It's very dirty, and it has been scraped on bushes and that, but that's not too bad. It's sort of there and below, but we are getting there now. And then we'll be on to the bits I've got to fix on the front step, at the front, a bit on the sill, and then put that rear arch on. So yeah, still quite a lot to do. It took a long time. Wasn't really worth it, and you can see all around there is pretty rusty as well. But I've gone this far now. I wouldn't have wanted to scrap the van anyway, so at least if I do this, use it for a little while and then scrap it or sell it on. It's going to have a good door I can either sell it with or take off and sell, because that will be solid. And you don't get very many good doors on these anymore, because yeah, they stopped making them in 2006. So yeah, most have rusted out like this one. But yeah, I'm going to save it. I like the van, so if I can save it and it comes out pretty good, yeah, I'm happy. So I'm going to leave the video there. So yeah, making a bit of progress on this one. And I'll show you a bit more when we've got the bottom panel on, and we'll nearly be there with the door, and I can, yeah, start getting to work on the arch, and I can show you some of that. But yeah, like I said, I'll leave it here. So thanks for watching, and I'll be along with another video again soon. So bye for now.